Now where did I put that thing? Not in here. Maybe down here? Nope, nothing but cobwebs and regret down here. Maybe it's under the bed. Nah, not there either. Guess I'll have to check the basement. Haven't been down here in a while. Wonder what I'll find. Oh, nice. An old coat. Must have been the previous owner's coat. Oh, sweet money.
Thanks for joining us for this.
Why is this TV still playing? Is this basement haunted? Ugh. Wonder how long this has been down here. Whose socks are these? Oh, so that's where my 10mm socket went to. I wonder what's in these boxes. A pizza oven. A couch. Pizza oven plus couch? What could it mean?